color preview. Select the color. Ooh. Okay, well we gotta go pink. Or this one, the rainbow one. Can I... What about this one? Wait, color preview. No, this one's only... What about this one? Rainbow. Oh. No, I like the leaves. Color. This one. Upgrade. I have no upgrade material. How do I upgrade? What's this? Shining part. Okay, so that's the upgrade thingy. Material costs 1 out of 40. How much does it cost? Oh. I don't get it. But that's okay. Okay. Oh. It's level 3. I can't change its color yet. What does that mean? Okay. Mirror level. Okay. Ooh, I got a little heart kiss. I want the heart kiss ones. Put it on me. Bravery. I'm so full of bravery. Junior stylist. What is this name? Daily missions. Oh. Oh. Okay. What else do you want me to do? Craft clothing piece. Craft clothing pieces. Catch buggies. Ba 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 ba. Escalation. Okay. Friends. Who's everyone? What do you want? Nothing. What do you want? Did we explore any of that? Wait, I did. I did it. Why are you mad at me? Oh, well, here you go. Okay. Oh, wait, there's stuff everywhere. Let me out. Oh, no, I don't want this one. I've already done it. Yep. So which one do you want me to do? Realm of Eureka. Easy. Divine blessings be bestowed upon the trial realm. Restore peace to ancient waterways. Okay. Requires 40 vital energy. Oh, I don't have enough energy. Fine. But I do have to make clothes. Yeah, there's like magical perfumes that like level you up as well. Oh, my ankle, do you hear that? I need more skinny bugs. I don't have any of those. I don't have any ingredients. This is silly. That's kind of cute. Sunburn blockers. I need to be covered in those at all times. And what else can we make? This thing. Let's make everything we can. Okay. Oh wait, I can teleport, right? Yeah, I can. What's this? Hope jumping. Reading's hard. I need a sunburn blockers. I've risked myself doing the garden. Oh no. I love gardening. Are you a fellow gardening enjoyer? Gardening makes me so happy. I set up an entire garden full of native food. It's so good. I got river mints, I got munchies, I got apple berries, I got raspberry jam waddles, I got old mint salt bushes, and I got the raspberry salt bushes, and I got and I got samphires. Makes me happy. Okay, well I don't want to do that. What's this? Oh, it's right there. Okay, I might as well just go right there. Let me out. Let me out. Let's change outfit. It's fashion change time. See, this outfit's so cute. Look at this. It's so simple, but like, it just works. Yeah.
Nikki!
What?
Are you okay? Did the Monroe fins hurt you?
No, I'm simply too strong. I heard the fishes. The fishes hurt me.
Not a scratch. It was a total cakewalk.
We did it! We got rid of the Monroe fins and fixed the power system in the Well of Fortune.
Perchance
I
in
saw
a
it.
dream.
All the streetlights just lit up. You're amazing! Oh, you too, Momo.
Of course, we saved the day. Fortunately, we let
His
Wish on
coat's made out of fur, right? Do you think that's
should have
him?
unleashed
Like
my
his
meow
skin?
fist. Yeah.
Like cat foreskin? Or is that real? Do you think that's real fur? And if not, is that weird for the cat to be wearing? No, it's not weird because I suppose we're animals and we wear fur. But like, do you get what I mean? Like, is that him? My nose giving me a kick in the head energy.
It's okay, Momo. We may not have caught the Wish Envoy, but we still got a very crucial lead. What's that?
What is that?
Evidence that links the Quick Wish bottle to the coma incidents.
Oh.
Remember when the Croakers were complaining to Mayor Grace
I like to
earlier?
imagine it.
They said after the Monroe fin did the
Captain Haya said, before the victims fell unconscious,
Haya is so
they all
close
had
to Kaya.
vivid hallucinations. Their minds wandered, they rambled, and had wild mood swings.
Oh, they're on their periods. I get it.
When I came back, I found my mom passed out on the floor, and the house was a mess.
They all used Quick Wish bottles.
Whoa.
Exactly. That's my theory too. I'm confident that the coma incidents are connected to the Wish Envoy and his Quick Wish bottles. Could he?
Nanoi, what's wrong? You just turned really pale.
I'm fine. Now that we know the truth behind the coma incidents, we need to catch this Wish Envoy. Yes. But he slipped away last time, and now we have no idea where to track him down. I've got some intel. Really? Great work, Nanoi.
What a
While you were at the Well of Fortune, I went to talk to some devout wishmakers. They gave me great information.
sippy time.
The Wish Envoy is putting on a wish gathering. It'll be at the Circular Plaza in the ruins, at sunrise.
Slap.
He's got some nerve. We're on his tail, and he shows his face.
With so many people, he's aiming for a big score. Nanoi, let's go check it out.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Wait, we have so many notifications up top. What did I win? This one? And what does that give me? This one. Day 3. Oh, it's another day. Wow. Whoa. Yippee. And then J. I've been playing this game for 3 days. I know. Wait, was that more? Wow. What is this? Oh, he's a little tiger. Oh, this is the Genshin thing. I get it. Okay. Okay. quest guy. Oh, I can't do this quest yet. Wait, I wanna pet the cutie. I'm your friend, trust me. Trust me. Wait, yeah, this is. I can't pet this cat for some reason. It doesn't let me. Okay, whatever, bye. It looks like all these little things respawn. Advance your stylist rank to skilled side. Okay. I'll try my bestest. Let's go walk about. Or we could catch bees. And mothies. Thank you, Haru. Cat handling skill too low, true. Gotta get better at handling. Oopsie. It's a goal we can all strive towards. What is that? That's a bug. Kill it. Get it. I want it. Got it. Wait, can I get fireflies? Oh, a glimmer drop. A nocturnal instinct found all across Maryland. Okay, cute. Let's go somewhere we haven't been before. We haven't. Okay, so anywhere down we haven't been. Let's just go walk about. Let's teleport. It's adventure time. Big stretch. It's very important. Bug catcher. Can I go in? No, okay. They don't respect me. Tori. Oh, I have these little bug hearts everywhere. Itchy. What's going on, Tori? The widely renowned entomologist is busy searching for incredibly rare bugs. Hello, widely renowned entomologist. I'm Nikki. I'm somewhat renowned stylist. I'm Momo, best friend of the somewhat renowned stylist Nikki. Zero styler, yeah, we've said it like 7 times. Well, Miss Stylist, I was studying these photos, trying to better understand the local bug population, but I ran into some problems. What seemed to be the matter with order? The widely renowned entomologist can't seem to spot any rare bugs in the photo. I heard that stylists have keen observational skills and helped me find the bustlefly and the witzel in the photo. Medicines agree? Yeah, like this guy's actually 7 years old. Hey, but I remember being 7 with like a hyperfixation. I reckon I was just as qualified as any paleontologist when I was a kid. Like, get between an autistic kid and their special interest? Nah, they've got to know everything about it. Okay, well, there's one. Oh wait, there's so many. That. No. That. Let me move off the screen so I can see. What is a witzel? A bustlefly? What does that look like? Is that one? No. Oh wait, that's one. Oh my god, they're like so tiny. What? Okay. Continuous gratitude. As a widely renowned entomologist, I need to return the bug catcher cabinet for further research. Bye, kid. Okay, we were sitting next to like a radio or something, so like 2 things of music were playing at once. Like, what is that? Oh, it's a bird. Okay, that guitar riff, that is so close to the Dog Island, like main tune. The one they play in Truly Woods, I think. Either Zuni Meadow or not Zuni Meadow, Zuni Lake or Truly Woods. And I love that I know that. It's so close. Are we going that way? We are. I'm gonna go up here. This game is so pretty though. I gotta wear a prettier dress. Hay bales. is over here. I think this is just a lookout. Yeah, it is. Look. Ooh. Funny little deer thingies. I'm your friend. Come here. So basically Genshin with a bit more realistic tension. Genshin has a really solid dungeon. It does. You're a freaky looking doe. I think he's happy. Oh. Wow. Come here. You'll be my friend now. Aww. It makes me uncomfortable. I don't trust the ears. Tight or not. Okay. Oh, wait, this looks like a direction. Wait, yeah, we got off the path. Take me back. Hi, people. What are you doing? There's a Windstar. I'm stuck. Caesar Art Academy Field Base. Oh, that is such an interesting spot. Okay. They have an art academy, that's cute. Oh my god, and they have so many of the cute little dogs. I love these things. Oh. Okay, so it's called Whim Vision. Look around stuff. It's Wish Vision, most likely. Is that the Wish or Whim? Oh my god, my hands feel so weird. Okay, move puppy.
Yep.
Oh, we are. I don't think we can. Well, I'm gonna try. Oh, what is this? How do I play it? Okay. Huh. Okay. What if I just kept trying the same thing over and over? Oh, I'm gonna be here forever. Okay, this time surely. Oh. Blowing up. Fuck. Okay. This is the one. Okay, I'm gonna angle it that way. I don't get it. It's gonna be the paper plane all over again. Most likely. Okay, what if I went the other way? Well. Okay, yeah, I know. Okay. This one surely. Oh yeah, no, that's the one. So what am I supposed to do? Am I charging it too much? I can't tell. Does this not feel luck-based? Am I an idiot? Don't answer that. No matter what, it's good. Oh. This is the spinner can move it a bit more. Okay. Okay, I need to move it over more. Okay, wait. That way? Well, that one doesn't count. We wanna... careful, not that one. Oh. I'm gonna go insane. What? She won esports. That was esports. Oh, and I got rewards. There we go. First try. This is what you meant when people said I should go esports, right? Oh, they want me to pat the little ferret. Give me a little ferret. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Gotcha. It's been longer than 10. A little bit. Hi. I got did I tell you I got everything working? You wanna know what I did? You're gonna love what I did. I need you to come a little closer for me to tell you. Absolutely fucking nothing. I did nothing. I just turned my OBS on and everything was working. It's good. Feels real good. What do you mean? That I have no hand in if things work on stream or not until I just stream and, see if it works. Maybe. Oh, and I got the words working as well. You wanna know what I did? You wanna know what I did for this one? Get ready, come here. I turned it on and off again. Yeah. I'm basically an electrician. I'm coping with it. Oh no. There was a thingy. But how was what? Moderator? Are we having another disappearing moderator as soon as I ask them a question? That's kind of cute. Cutie dragon. Ooh. I like that. That's cute. I'm level 13. Let's go. Oh dear god. I didn't hear you. I said, how was work? Ooh, that one hurt. Horrid. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, this one's gonna hurt me. Right? I'm not allowed to yell either. I want to. Okay, just a little lighter, right? Just a little. Oh, let's go like that. Oh, thank God. Money. I'm not reading all that. That's crazy. I'm not reading all that. I just got yipped at. Hi, what are you guys talking about? Oh, a quest guy. Hi, quest guy. If you yell, voice gone for a month. Yeah, actually. Wait, excuse me, miss. Could you hold still for a second? The physique is close but a bit taller and the outfit is different. Just in case, I'd like to ask you a question. Do you know what piece I played 12 days ago at 8 o'clock? It's either Restless Rhapsody in major or Sighing Serenade in minor. Sighing Serenade. What kind of a name is Cora? I was about to say. Wait, that's actually what I was about to say. Is he straight out of World of Warcraft? Each note a sorrowful sigh and every rest a breath of relief. Go dramatic, aren't you? There is no such piece like that. Haha, you have such an interesting perspective on music. I shall write a piece like that in the future, dedicated to everyone who feels as troubled as me. Please forgive my earlier intrusion. I recently met a strange girl who put me on edge. She caused me to entirely lose it. You got a crush. Did you mistake Nikki for this girl? That's why I asked her the strange question. Yes, I apologize again, Miss Nikki. You're both similar in age, and I never caught a good look at her face. It was quite a mix-up. Wait, her face? Okay. He's non-binary and hasn't decided his name yet. I think Toaster or Bug would have been better than Korra. Recently when I finish playing a piece, I sometimes hear mysterious applause around me. Sometimes behind bushes, other times behind trees, or even in shadowy corners. Always schizophrenic. Several times I put down my guitar and to look and I didn't see anyone. There was this one time I was fully prepared, but yeah, didn't find them. It should have sounded a bit unsettling to have an audience clapping from the shadows but not wanting to meet face to face. Maybe you could help me find her and have a chat. Why would you do that, even if this has nothing to do with you? And I was being so vulgar. You're so kind. It's no trouble at all, Mr. Cora, War Chief. Are you alright? Is someone cutting onions? So this guy's face is easily moved. Of course not. It's simply the wind. Must have been the wind. It's not the biggest word. Gamers, you're hungry. Dude, me too. on like a spiritual level. I remember the girl in a diamond check vest heading towards the help me. Leisurely? Is it supposed to be leisurely? Leisurely? Angulas and sure, whatever, find your not girlfriend. I wanna catch the bee. Give me bee. Give me bee. Okay. That's all the way over there though. No, we're gonna go over here. Oh my god, I didn't mark where. Track. Okay, down we go. Bye, losers. This beast looks sick. Sick as in cool, or sick as in like terminal. Alright, drop me.
Yeah.
Drop me like I'm a child. Buck. Yeah. Is it just me, or is now that I've turned the music down, there's no music at all? I like me a fat ass bee. I like them chunky. They're so cute, they're so fluffy. Oh, wait, there's another fuck ass goat. Come here. Come on. Me. What? Why are you running? What are you running? Okay, these ones won't run for me, surely. Everyone shh. I'm hunting goats. Goat meat curry is so good. Okay, let me brush you. Good boy. My head's so when I die. Wow, focus. What is that? Oh, it's one of these. You gotta kill him before I can even run, before he even knows what's happening. Ah, yum. Ew, don't touch me. He's touching me. Where's the rest of my money? I won't stop. Oh, there's a goat. Oh, he's gone. Okay, that's fine. You know what? I don't want him anyway. What is that? Oh, it's rice. Stupid. How stupid is it? Is it get me a fish fillet from Macca's? Is that the little we're talking? I won! I'm so good at video games. I tried really hard. Okay. I want more sheeps. Why can't I? No, don't scare him. What are you doing? What is that? Ew. Oh my god, wait, I know what's happening. Let me tap into my game, please. There we go. Okay, where are my ships?